afternoon, everyone. It's Kat Bat from Digital Leopard. And today we've got with us an amazing Farida Dar, who is an immigration lawyer. Farida, could you tell us a little bit more about what you do?
So I've been practicing immigration for 17 years, and actually yesterday I celebrate my solicitor's 15-year anniversary birthday. And I've been working on UK immigration matters for those 17 years, but I also specialise in Irish immigration, and I also do Schengen visas.
Congratulations on the 15 years anniversary. That's a big one.
Yes.
What got you to become a lawyer in the first place?
Well, coming from a foreign family background, so my mother's Polish, and my father is from Kenya, British born, and it's just seeing how immigrants have come to the UK and they've done so much here. My passion has just been to help people enter the UK and stay here and join their family members. It's a really rewarding role and career.
Absolutely. And I think especially now during coronavirus, you must have been really busy with work. How has it been for you?
Well, yeah, I mean, initially it was very slow because our clients have been affected by lots of factors. So there's been closures to start off with. So application centres in the UK were closed, as well as those overseas, and they have been slowly reopening.
But I would imagine that's where people would have needed you even more, because if the centers are closed, they don't really know how to go about it and how to apply for their visas.
Yeah, absolutely. So it did increase the number of inquiries we had. And I was also advising my clients or anyone that would listen that this was really the time to prepare their applications. So although they couldn't be, they wouldn't attend their appointments, they could still submit their applications online and they could still prepare their documents. So essentially getting in that backlog queue. So yes, absolutely. There was a lot we could do for them.
I see. No, I think that would have been scary for everyone, because what do you do if you get stuck and everything is closed? Were people getting deported because of that, or?
No, so the Home Office released lots of COVID concessions. The Home Office was extending people that were in the UK. So you can imagine there were people in the UK stuck with expiry dates. They're about to expire, not wanting to travel. So they issued a release saying that they could apply for an extension until the 31st of July by email. So this is something I was helping individuals with. The Home Office was also released another concession which allowed individuals to apply from the UK for their long-term application, which is not usually allowed. They have to go home and apply from there. So it was great that they had that opportunity. That ended last week on the 31st of July. So lots of deadlines last until Friday, when some of the concessions closed. But yeah, it was a busy time in the end.
That must have been really busy. Well, I've got a question for you then. It's been a difficult time for everyone. I wonder, what's been the biggest sort of business challenge that you have faced in, working on your own?
Yeah, so I mean, to be honest, logistically, not much has changed because I deal with a lot of clients overseas. So it was that face-to-face contact, which is always really nice to have in person with clients. But the Home Office accept applications online. Applications and documents can be provided online, and a lot of my clients are based overseas, so I do video calls anyway with them. So logistically, we were kind of prepared for a situation like this, which is great. But there were some challenges, obviously, with clients in country, in the UK, wanting to see us. Then that's obviously a bit difficult.
Of course, I understand. Well, have you got any advice for other business owners?
Yeah, so other business owners starting out on their first tracks, I would say dream big, network like hell, and yeah, just keep at it really, and do the best you can do, and really believe in what you're providing.
That's a great piece of advice. Very, very true. Thank you so much, Farida. Is there any book that you have read that may have changed the way you do things in your business?
Actually, yes, there is. It's a book called Drive by David Pink, and he talks about motivating people and where we get our motivations from. And I think that was a fantastic book. It completely changed. I used to manage people. I used to manage a big department at Fragoman, which is a large law firm. And I think it really helped in terms of motivating, driving people, not just telling people what to do. So it was definitely changed the way I worked with people, my colleagues.
I will add it to my reading list. I haven't heard of it, but it sounds good. And motivation is so important. It's what drives us and, gets us out of bed.
Exactly. And when you're managing people, you want them driven, you want to motivate them, and also you want to help progress them. So not just, they're not just people under you having to do what you need to tell them to do, but, they're also people with their own dreams and ambitions.
Thank you so much, Farida. Is there anything that you would like to add?
Yes, actually, I'm going to be presenting a webinar on the 20th of August, and it's going to cover what businesses, employers, HR need to think about in terms of preparing for Brexit. And it's going to outline the new immigration system, all the red flag points. So, and I'll be charging a nominal fee of just £10. It's really just to raise awareness and to ensure that people turn up. So yes, that's I'll be sending some information on that.
Fantastic. Could you please post a link in the comments as well when this is published so that everyone can find it?
Yes, I will.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming on today.
Kat, it's been lovely. Always lovely to see you too.
Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and share. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.